Hi, in front of me is CYRUS CS40 Freestyle, and today I want to show you how to set up your screen lock. First thing you need to do is tap Settings, then scroll down, choose Security and click Screen Lock. Now select one of the options, swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern. Click Require pattern to start device and draw your pattern. Continue, draw it again and confirm. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Choose one of the options. I will choose Show All Notifications Content and click Done. Now when you turn off your screen and turn it on, pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye!